What's going on, everybody? My name is Mr. Hart and welcome back to another new video I'm trying to put on my channel. Again, I am not fully set of what my channel is going to be, but however, I like to try new things. So let's get into this. You guys saw the title. I'm going to try to do is a unboxing video. So I'm going to try to find at least two mystery boxes that I'm going to find on eBay. One's going to be like a very cheap one and one's going to be very expensive. But anyway, let's see what we can find right here. Oh, there's like stuff like this I don't understand. Like, okay, there's an $88 mystery box right here, but it's the shipping's 131 Canadian. Nah, that's not what I'm looking for. This one actually is $13. Anything and everything, no junk and all new items. I'm gonna add to the cart. Okay, there is a surprise mystery box, Canada only. That would be great. It's free shipping, and it's actually $80. That could be our expensive one. It doesn't look as promising. It just has a question mark, but I mean, at least, you know, if it's like something like maybe with a box like that, it makes it more promising. But this one, $80 and surprise mystery box, Canada only. Estimate within 8 business days. I'm gonna keep this one at the cart, and we're gonna check it out at the end to see if I still want to keep this one. I'm still not satisfied yet, so I'm going to not check out yet. There's a $70 one, and I bet you this is from the same guy. No, it doesn't seem this is from the same guy. I actually might add this to cart, and we'll scrap the $80 one. So now I have the $80 one, the $70 one, and a $13 one. I'm gonna remove the $80 one. We have the $70 and the $13 was okay. We're checked out. We're good to go. So I will see you guys when these boxes are here. So that will be possibly by next week.
3 weeks later, many months later. So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Well, I guess they came, when did they came? They finally arrived. I mean, I don't even know how long these took. Okay, so my point of perspective, I'm guessing this is the cheaper one. This is the $10 one, I believe. And this big whole, there's a bunch of question marks and stuff like that. I kind of like that, but to be honest, this is not an unboxing. Like, to be honest, these are unwrapping of these Priority Mail Canada Post, these big ones. They're not boxes. Sorely disappointed that these did not come in boxes, but anyway, we cannot judge until we actually open these up. I'm actually quite excited for this one, but to be fair, I will open up the smaller one first. So yeah, let's get into this. I'm gonna put this one on the side for later. That was the more expensive one, but this small one right here, to be honest, it feels like it's just one thing, and the way it almost like wraps around, like it's circular. It feels like it's one thing. Alrighty, trying to get back into it. Hopefully it's not shit. Oh, putting my hand in right now, it's actually 2 things. Wow, okay. So I'm very curious about this hat. Let's see it right now. Hopefully it's not garbage. It's a yellow hat. Okay, a yellow hat. Okay. It's a fucking Chinese hat. It says like, well, I can't say it right now because it has like fucking writing on the bottom right here. I do not want to wear this. I do not want to get lice, but okay. And what's this? Oh, it's actually 3 things. Okay, it's a fruit cutter. Mostly apples. I think I'm actually going to use this because I think ours broke not that long ago. So yeah, I'm going to use this. Looks kind of dirty though. I'm not going to use it, but thank you anyway. And last but not least, a wine opener. Okay, great. Probably the person thinks I'm an alcoholic. Honestly, for $10, what I've got, I'm not going to use that hat. Possibly not going to use this because it looked dirty. But other than that, not bad. Now, alright, now this big old thing. Mystery box. This has the question marks on it. I was very excited about this. This feels quite heavy, so give or take, approximately maybe like 12 to 15 pounds? 12, let's give it 10 pounds. 10 pounds right here. Feels like there's a lot of stuff in here and almost maybe like it's cushiony, so almost maybe clothing. Again, this was the more expensive one, I would think, because hopefully this was not the $70 one. I would be really pissed. So let's get this bad boy open then. Oh, okay, just rip it open right here. Don't need the knife actually. Great, don't need this. Holy shit, what is this? Oh, holy shit. Okay, there's actually quite some stuff in here. So just first glance on looking in here, it's so we have Starbucks peppermint mocha. I'm not really a fan of Starbucks. I'm more of a Tim Hortons guy because I'm Canadian. Alright, let's see what's next in here. Sticky the Pooh. Really, it's supposed to be like Winnie the Pooh, but Sticky the Pooh. I guess it's supposed to be like a gag. It's the poop emoji. Okay, grab, mold, and throw. Yeah, this is gonna be great for the kiddos, huh? The kids are gonna be like, yeah, I don't need the poop emoji, I can use my... These are pepperoni strips, okay. Crest 3D white strips. Oh, okay. Oh shit. Did a person send me a dryer sheet? Alright, so there's the hard part. Holy shit, there's more. Wow, okay. A book. Okay. The Last Day of Dogtown. Thanks for the book. This place is still awesome. Magnet? Okay. I'm gonna have to put this down because it's taking too much of my room anymore. Blu-ray disc of Meet the Spartans. I haven't seen the movie, but it's like Scary Movies, like the series. It's like a funny version of like, yeah, the Spartan and Ghost Rider and Shrek Baby. We have a pillow of palm trees and sunsets. Okay, this will go nowhere.
Bye-bye.
I might throw it out. Okay, so pretty much what I got was, yeah, it was actually, you know what, junk. Some things are good, like, I don't like Starbucks, but maybe know someone who would, maybe would take it? Alright, anyway, I'm just gonna wrap this video up. I am not taking any of these things. Thank you for the junk, and I sent you money. Don't want that shit. Hopefully that next time, if I ever do an unboxing, things can be better. Possibly. But seriously guys, that's it for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please subscribe down below, leave a comment down below, and also if you guys want me to do more unboxing, I would love to do more unboxing. Hopefully maybe not shit like this. And I'll see you guys next time. Boom!